Meet Moringa oleifera, also known as the drumstick tree or miracle tree. Native to South Asia but grown worldwide, this humble plant is packed with nutrients and healing properties that have earned it a place in traditional medicine and modern wellness. Health benefits of Moringa: rich in vitamins A, C, and E, calcium, potassium, and protein. Contains antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. Supports heart health, lowers cholesterol, and helps regulate blood sugar. Medicinal value: used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat over 300 conditions. Moringa seeds and leaves have antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. May help with diabetes, arthritis, and digestive issues. How to use Moringa: add fresh leaves to soups, stews, or stir-fries. Dry and powder the leaves to mix into smoothies or teas. Use pods, drumsticks, in curries or boil them as a vegetable. Whether you're looking to boost your nutrition, support your health, or explore natural remedies, Moringa is a powerful ally. Try growing it, cooking with it, or adding it to your daily routine, and experience the miracle for yourself.